Hi, I am your virtual teacher for today, and we will discuss tricks and tips in solving age problem sets. Are you ready? For today, we will focus on basic algebra problems, especially the solving age problem sets. But first, we will discuss first with the formulas and quick tricks for average problems. These are the basic problems with regards to age problems. So we will discuss how to extract the basic formula for each problem. For the first, if the current age is x, then we will just multiply this with the age, or simply n times x. The second, if the current age is x, then age in n years later will be x plus n. The third, if the current age is x, then age n years ago will be x minus n. The fourth, if the current age is x, then 1 over n of the age is x over n. And lastly, in taking or finding for the average age, it is equal to, or it is just the sum of ages divided by the number of persons. So let's begin. Uh, we will have this sample problem number one. The average age of husband, wife, and their child 3 years ago was 27 years, and that of wife and the child 5 years ago was 20 years. What is the present age of the husband? So, from this problem, we are trying to find the age or the present age of the husband. So, for our solution, we will first uh, let H, which is equal to husband's age, W for wife's age, and C for the child's age. We will use this for the formulation of equations. So for now, we will first create equation based on the given data. So the first equation will be average age of husband, wife, and child 3 years ago will be equal to, uh, we will just simply minus 3 to all ages of the husband, wife, and child 3 years ago. So this will be h minus 3 plus w minus 3 plus c minus 3. And based on the tricks we have a while ago, we will divide this by 3 since there are 3 person, the husband, wife, and child. And the average age will be equal to 27. So this will become h plus w plus c minus 9. So we'll just add all the 3 divided by 3, which is equal to 27. So after that, we will multiply the whole equation or both side of the equation with 3, and this will become h plus w plus c minus 9 equal to 81. So we'll just transpose 9 to the other side, or we'll do this by adding 9 on both sides of the equation. This will become h plus w plus c was equal to 90. So this will be our first equation. Then we will get the average of wife and child 5 years ago as given by the problem. 5 years ago means we will subtract the age of wife with 5. So it will become W minus 5 plus C minus 5 divided by 2, since only the wife and the child, 2 person, which is equal to 20. So simplifying, we will just add the negative 5. It will become W plus C minus 10 over 2, which is equal to 20. And then simplifying more, we will multiply both sides of the equation with 2. It will become W plus C minus 10, which is equal to 40. And then we will transfer 10 to the other side by adding positive 10 on both sides of the equation. And from this, it will become W plus C, which is equal to 50. So this is our second equation. So by noticing on the first and the second equation says that the total age of wife and child 5 years ago is 50 years. Therefore, we can substitute this to the first equation. The first equation is the H plus W plus C equal to 90, where W plus C is equal to 50 from the second equation. So it will become, the first equation will become H plus 50, which is equal to 90. So adding both sides of the equation with negative 50 to cancel out 50 on the left side, it will become H is equal to 40. Therefore, from our sample problem number one, the husband's age is 40 years. So now we will have a second example. The second problem we have is if A is 2 years older than B, who is twice as old as C. Oh, wait. A is 2 years older than B, who is twice as old as C. If the total of the ages of A, B, and C be 27, then how old is B? So from this problem, we are looking for the age of B. So based on the problem, we can formulate actually three equations, which is that A is 2 years older than B, so it will be A is equal to B plus 2. And then B, who is twice as old as C, this will become B, which is equal to 2 times C. And from the total ages of the three, which is 27, this will become the equation 3. A plus B plus C is equal to 27. Equation 3 will serve as a general equation since it contains all the variables. Since we are looking for the age of B, we will transform the variables A and B from equations 1 and 2 into variables of B. Therefore, A is equal to B plus 2 and C is equal to B over 2. We will substitute this into equation 3. Equation 3 is A plus B plus C is equal to 27. Therefore, it will become B plus 2 plus B over 2, which is equal to 27. Multiplying both sides of the equation with 2, we are just simplifying the equation. It will become 2B plus 4 plus 2B plus B is equal to 54. Simplifying further, it will become 5B, which is equal to 50, and then B is equal to 10. Therefore, B is 10 years old. So that is the final answer for the second problem. That's it, guys. I hope you were able to learn something new today. And if you have some suggestion or comments or some problems that I can solve, you can also comment below. Until next lesson, thanks for watching. See you next episode.